Alright, so today I'm going to test out the DJI O4 together with the DJI Action 5 Pro. So which one looks better? Unfortunately, there is no like, I don't know, like sun or like nice colors. It's just really cloudy outside, and yeah, but I'm at my favorite post-apocalyptic spot, the one that you always liked in my videos. Yeah, so I'm going to use the Pavo 35 with the DJI goggles too, so hopefully it will turn out good. So I will also talk through the whole video and see how the signal performs everywhere. I just tried it today behind my house. It looks really nice, but I didn't have the feeling it was really different like in the goggles from DJI O3. So let's see how it looks now here in a different scenario. So, okay, the signal. I have the original O3 antenna on the back. And as you see, the megabits are actually a little bit less. They're not even 50. I don't know. I actually don't know like if you have to unlock something here or not. But yeah, okay, this is not a range test, so I don't care about it, but it flies well. No stutters whatsoever. So let's see, let's go inside the building. Oh, but it's nice. I have locked my my shutter, and I'm recording 4K 50 on the O3. Oh, sorry, on the O4, and also on the Action. So let's do some chill flight here. Let's check this. Oh, this looks really good. The dynamic range is really good actually. I see it against well, there is not a lot of things that I can now look at because yeah, there is no sun or anything, so I don't know how the shadows, but it looked really nice inside. Okay, let's check this here. No stutters. Oh, the signal is awesome. I have a pretty high angle, so I'm going a little too fast. But this Pavo is really, this is a really good drone. I don't want to hit any branches because I have no ND filter yet on my O4, so just so I don't damage the lens. But what I've seen is that DJI actually now made it really easy to replace because there are screws on the top, and it looks like you can just replace like the lens without any issue. So let's see how this one. Awesome. And still 50 megabit the whole time. I'm really wondering how it will look. It should be like the Avata 2, but what I heard from people is that the Action 5 looks better than the Avata 2, but it's not such a big difference. So at least not such a big difference like to carry an action camera around all the time, you know. Next month I will have a second one of these DJI O4 Pros, and I will see where I put that one, but probably on a 5-inch, so I don't have to like use any GoPro anymore. But it looks so good. I mean, like, if I think about it, when I started with FPV, I mean, yeah, it's now almost 4 years, and damn, I mean, analog was so crappy, but it had charm, you know. It looked nice. Like, yeah, it didn't look nice, but it was nice to fly still. But this is really crazy how far this has come. I remember the first time when I looked in the DJI goggles, like when I started with FPV, I was like, whoa, it's crazy. And now this is like the new standard, you know. Well, let's see how this looks. The detail is crazy. Look at the graffiti, it looks so detailed, everything. Oh, I had a little stutter there, like a breakup. It was like I don't know, even not half a second. I had some, maybe in the DVR it will be visible, so I'll put it in the video. Okay. Oh, this is really cool. I'll do some fast and low. Oh, the motion blur looks really, really good. Yeah, I don't have any ND filters yet, not for the Action, and oh, low battery, I have to go back. And also not for the 04. So therefore, yeah, I probably think that I'm kind of lucky that it's like this kind of weather, you know, because otherwise it would have been a little bit too light. And okay, I'm going down. All right, so now we have the DJI Action 5 there, and the GoPro is on the drone. So yeah, let's do that. So completely the same settings: 4K 50, 1/100, ISO minimum is 100, the maximum is 800, the same white balance. So basically everything the same. So there is no reason to argue that I didn't use the same settings. Only thing that you can argue about is that it's not a Hero 13. But if you really care, I can borrow a Hero 13 just to show you that it's the same. So there is that. Okay. So let's fly again now. Only thing that I kinda now hate is that the 04 is not compatible with almost any frame. It's really stupid. And also on my Pavo 35, I have to take out the unit every single time, like from the bottom, to take out the SD card or connect it to the PC. So I cannot access the SD card and I cannot access the USB-C port on the unit. So that's a pity, but yeah, I mean, doesn't matter. Maybe some conversion kit will come, or I can maybe like cut a hole here. I will maybe do that so I don't have to like open it up every single time, but I would rather not, because I don't like to like alter my frames too much, you know. So let's test this one out. Let's see how it performs in low light, basically, or low light, or yeah, you know, shadow situation or whatever. So, but while I'm flying, I don't really have the feeling that it looks better than the DJI O3. Not at all, actually, while flying. So maybe for flying, I still think that Walksnail looks better. We'll see. I mean, I will do some tests with Walksnail too. And only DVR tests, so no recording, just the DVR from the goggles. And let's see if Walksnail looks better. But I really wonder about the dynamic range, because I said to Walksnail, like, yeah, they should really update their cameras and add some lock or flat or whatever, because I feel that it's not really that good to like to edit it. You cannot edit it, basically. It's just how it is. That's what you get. So I still think that Walksnail should basically do some update of that, you know. Okay, let's see in building. Pulse. Now let's see how, if I fly in here, if the ISO will go up, because yeah, all right, let's get out of there. It didn't. Because yeah, I just set it to 100 minimum and 800 maximum, so we don't have too much noise. but yeah, it looks good, you know. But the uptilt is pretty big now. I feel like it's a little bit too big for me, because if I'm trying to stand still, I have to be a little too high. But yeah, that's because I wanted to fly it a little bit faster, so it isn't boring like just some Cinewhoop style, you know. I just wanted to go a little bit more. Okay. I really don't want to crash it. I ordered some ND filters, but they didn't arrive yet. So once I have those, I can then, yeah, I will be a little bit more relaxed. Because right now I don't really want to like damage the camera, you know, because it sticks out a lot. That's the issue, because there are still like no frames. Was that a person there, or am I tripping? Oh no, okay, I'm tripping. I thought I saw a person. What the hell? No, it was the pole, probably like this wilder thing, you know, this. But it looks so weird. Oh yeah, you see that graffiti, that blue thing, this. It looked like a person when I went up, like in the goggles at least. Alright, let's get out of there. Let's go through here again. Alright. I will put also on Instagram Reels like the 3 cameras side by side under each other. And let's see if people can guess which camera is the which. Oh, wow, that was a prop push. Okay. Too bad I cannot mount all the 3 cameras at once, you know. But yeah, doesn't matter. I try to do like the same stuff, like on every camera. Let's see what people think of it. It's too cold outside. I really don't want to be there. So the next couple of videos, because I wasn't active like now in the last couple of weeks, because I was doing some client jobs, and now I have a little bit more time because I have finished everything. So now I can again like do some more tests and reviews. So in the next couple of weeks I will probably be like this in my car, so you will see this interior a little bit more, because yeah, it's pretty cold outside. And if it's not cold, then it's windy, and then it feels even more cold, you know? So but there's that, yeah. Well, let's do one more thing here, because this battery goes longer. I don't know what was up with the other one. Maybe it was a little, yeah, I don't know, maybe I didn't charge it that much. Let's go like this. If there is anything else you would like me to do, like with some maybe other drone or whatever, let me know, guys, and I can make some more videos, because now I have time. So also, if there is anything with Volksnail that you want to see, I can still do that too. Alright, I think it's time to go home. I've seen everything. Let's leave the Call of Duty map and let's go back to civilization, you know. So yeah. Okay. Low battery, low battery. Abort mission, not now. Okay, done. All right, so let's hope that this test turns out good. I didn't see anyone else doing it on YouTube, so yeah. Only Potato Jet did it, I think. The Action 5 versus this one. So, all right. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. There will be many more tests in the coming weeks. If you want a specific test, write it down in the comments, and I will do that one now in the next couple of weeks. Okay, see you. Bye-bye.